Xzavier Toons presents the tornado outbreak. Enjoy the show. Oh great, now it's stormy outside today. Well, that will be suck if there's a tornado coming. Whoa, what the? Warning, there's a tornado outbreak. Stay inside of your house. Oh no. Ah, my tree! Oh no! I gotta go fast! Meanwhile, oh right, I'm here. Anyways, there was like a huge tornado. Yes, we saw it too. Anyways, I hope we will survive from this tornado. Okay, check 1016. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no. We gotta get prepared. We gotta get prepared. We got to get prepared. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta get prepared. The tornado is coming. It's coming into the bunker. Oh no. Oh no. Here it comes. It's gonna hit the bunker. It's gonna hit the bunker. Ah! Duck! Oh no! Oh no, the tornado's after us! Oh no! The house is popping! Oh God! Please, enough! Enough already! Please, enough! Oh no! Oh no, we all turn into wings! Oh no! The end.